Hello students, this is Vinod Puneet Ekka, your English teacher. Now I am going to teach you class 10th chapter 4 from the diary of Annie Frank. Annie Frank was born on 12th June 1929 in Frankfurt in Germany, and her family migrated to Holland in 1933. Those days Hitler and his Nazi party was very powerful. They wanted to kill all Jewish and abolish them from Germany. Frank's family hid in Amsterdam in a warehouse. Finally, they were arrested on 4th August 1944. Annie, her sister, and her father was sent to concentration camp in Germany, where Jews were kept as prisoners. There they died of sickness called typhus before the camp was liberated by British Army on 12th April 1945. Annie Frank kept a diary from 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. Her father Otto Frank survived in the concentration camp. He decided to publish her diary accounts which she had experienced in the concentration camp. She wrote this diary to avoid loneliness in the concentration camp. Thus, diary becomes her good friend. Let us read the summary so that the story will be very clear. When Annie Frank was celebrating her 13th birthday, her parents gifted her a beautiful diary as a birthday gift. Diary writing was a strange experience for her. She writes this diary to diffuse the burden of her heart and soul. Thus she avoids loneliness, and diary becomes her good friend in the Nazi concentration camp. She gave a name to her diary, Kitty. She wrote this diary for herself as a personal account. She felt that paper has more patience than people. Later on, her father published it and it became a world famous book. Now we shall see what are the things she mentions in her diary. Firstly, memories of family members. In the diary, she mentions about her family. Annie calls her father very caring and dearest father. She mentions about her father Otto Frank. When he was 36 years old, he married Annie's mother. At that time, this lady's age was 25. Her elder sister Margot was born on 12th June 1926 and Annie was born on 12th June 1929. Since they belonged to Jewish family and Germany was disturbed by the Nazi army, they wanted to kill all Jewish people, so they left Germany and shifted to Holland. Annie received her primary education in Holland. Frank family hid in Amsterdam in a warehouse. She also mentions about her loving grandmother that she died in 1942. The same year, she began to write her diary on 20th June 1942. Finally, they were arrested by Nazi army and brought to one of the concentration camps of Germany. Secondly, she mentions about her memories of school days. She recalls her past sweet memories of school days, her grades, classmates, and boys girls at the school. She also talks about her teachers. She feels that the quarter of the students are worse in study. They are not worthy to be promoted in the next class. So, such students should be detained or kept back in the same class. That is what she experienced in the class. She also remembers her mathematics teacher, Mr. Casing, in a very particular way. How he was annoyed with Annie as she was talkative in the class. He was old-fashioned teacher, that is why he didn't allow students to talk during class. She also recalls how Mr. Kessing used to punish her by giving extra homework to write essays on the topic, a chatterbox. In the essay, she writes that she has inherited a talking habit from her mother. Mr. Kessing had a good laugh at her argument after reading the essay. When Annie failed to correct her talkative nature, he gave another funny topic, an incorrigible chatterbox. Later on, she got another funny topic to write a poem. Quack, 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 Mrs. Chatterbox. She composed a funny poem on it with the help of her friend Sani. She completed her poem on Mother Duck and a Father Swan with 3 baby ducklings. The baby ducklings quack too much, therefore they are beaten to death by father. It was clearly indicated to Mr. Kessing. He understood the poem and its message in the right way. After that, he allowed her to talk in the class. Since then, a great change came in Mr. Kessing and began to crack jokes in the class. Thus, children learned joyfully and enjoyed his class. Note, one thing we must notice, and there should not be confusion, that Annie and Margot died in concentration camp, and after that her diary was published. Annie and Margot both suffered from typhus and died in Hitler's Nazi concentration camp. After that, British Army liberated people from concentration camp on 12th April 1944. Annie's father survived in the concentration camp. He decided to publish her diary accounts which she had experienced. I hope this chapter is clear. I think more or less stories are clear. When the stories are clear, you will be able to give answers very clearly. So thank you for watching my video.